Hi everyone, this is Raul Morales from Treasure Coast Wheels and Tires. Here we got this 2010 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson. It came in 4 inches off the floor. It was dropped literally with the spindle kit. We're actually grabbing that, taking it all out. We're reverting everything. We're putting a 6-inch rough country lift. As you can tell, it's a knuckle kit. Nicely going on. We had to flip around the rear end also because the way it was dropped. We're gonna put a nice set of 35 12 50 20 Haida the RTs with a nice set of XF off-road wheels. Stay tuned for the final product. Again, stay tuned on our YouTube channel. Check us out. Get lifted, everyone.